So how to find Google Gemini app on iOS on iPhones. So this app is releasing. So on Android, Gemini app is a new kind of assistant that uses generative AI to collaborate with you and help you get things done. You'll be able to access it from the app anywhere where you normally activate Google Assistant on Android, but on iOS, it will be rolled out to use right from the Google app. So there is no separate Gemini app. There is no Bard app. By the way, like Gemini is Gemini is the new name for the former Bard app. And the thing is, this app is being used inside of a Google app. So just tap the Gemini toggle and chat with Gemini to supercharge your creativity, create custom images, get help writing social posts, and even plan a date night right from the Google app. Gemini app is rolling out on Android and iOS phones in the US in English starting today and will be fully available in coming weeks. Starting next week, you'll be able to access it in more locations in English. So that's just what it is. So again, this is a separate Google app. You can see it's in top charts, but you need to be based in US, and then this should be your toggle here in the top part, but it's not yet rolled out to everyone. But that's how you can find it out if you are based in US and your Google is in English.